Hi, I'm Bruce Tesler from Bruce Tesler Realty in Clearwater, Florida, and I've been a member of Greg Luther's marketing mastermind group for the last 4 or 5 years. And what's really great about this group is that we're always looking at new cutting-edge marketing, and we're looking at how to implement the marketing and what venues work best. The great thing about this group is we meet a number of times a year to talk about marketing and how it's working, and with the other members we can talk about brainstorming and making the marketing improvements. Another great thing is we're always looking at the marketing that brings us to the forefront of our industry, and this is just an incredible educational experience.
What would you say to people that are on the fence about joining Greg's program?
I would say that anyone needs to at least be a diamond member, because you get to talk to Greg once a month and you get more bang for your buck, and you get just more programs that you can implement. So I would say minimum someone should be a diamond member and maybe a platinum member if they want to talk to Greg once a week. This experience has changed my life and it's changed my business. That's how great it is.
2, 3, love it!